Children at work. Before you read what you should do, there are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family make a life. Some help their family make a livelihood. माने family. हाँ. Others who run away from unhappy homes need to support themselves. ସେମାନେ ଘରୁ ପଳେଇ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିଜକୁ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ସେମାନେ ଦରକାର କରନ୍ତି. Children who have to work can't go to school and play like other children of their age. Okay, children who have to work से जो मैंने काम करछन्ती can't go to school से जाई परंतनी and play like other children of their age. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ତାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ସେମାନେ ଖେଳି ବି ପାରନ୍ତି. Understood? So ଦେଖିବା ଏଠି value an 11-year-old boy runs away from home. से घरू पळेछि. He wanders around for hours before getting on a train. So he's getting on a train चढ़ी to Chennai without a ticket. Tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go. When a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. Okay, तेणु गोटे stranger ताकू हाथ बढ़ेछि. Okay, so tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go. बुझल तेणु जाइछि जानी पारनी कौन करिवो गोटे स्ट्रेंजर सहित मिसी. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled माने पसिला कोठी हमरो स्टेशन ने at the Chennai Central, it took Velu some time to get up. Velu नुआ ना ओल्हेबा को टिके टाइम लेला. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly. Okay, wobbly माने unsteady. Okay, as if he was still on a moving train. ताकू लागिला ट्रेन टा पुणी जाउछ से किंतु ओल्हे छला. ओके, से प्लेटफॉर्म ने छिड़ा है. ओय, out of the way, a porter went by माने साइड रे गला with a loaded trolley. माने गोटे पोर्टर माने गोटे कुलीटे. Velu jumped aside. way, out of the way माने please side please. Porter went by with a loaded trolley. Trolley गुडा तो बाड़े देबे नले. Velu jumped aside. जेमती थरथरी चालुथिला एटे माडो हेजो बोली एपटकू देई पइला. He sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. Okay, he sat on the bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, hey sir, take. He sat on okay. So he sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. Okay, ता bundle टा रखिला बसिला. In all his 11 years, okay, so he's a 11 years old boy. He had never seen so many people, इतने लोगों, except once a year at the fair in his village. ता village रे गोटे मेला हुए सेठी लोक आस. People walked by. ता पाखे पाखे जाउथिले, bumping into him, ता ऊपर बाड़े होउथिले with their suitcases. A voice announced something on the loudspeaker. Okay, गोटे voice कहला. कौन कहला? Near him, a group of people sat on their luggage. बसिया जगह नहीं, luggage रे बसते. Looking at a TV hanging from the roof. हाँ, से मैंने बसी थिले looking at a TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. All were doing noise. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. Like in the station, the voice comes from the station itself about announcement of different trains. Velu put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable. ताको भलो लागु न थाए and exhausted, tired थाए. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. Just 2 दिन तले से आसीछ. Then next one. Tell to next one. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. Okay, एतिकी से खाइछ. Okay. So in Marili, because jaggery you know, huh? Okay, अच्छा. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. He had worked for most of the first day to Kanpur. Okay, most of the first day. कारण से first दिन से घर को आछि. Okay, घर आछि से first दिन. He had worked for most of the first day to Kanpur. Kanpur को से चल आछि. And then got on the train to Chennai. तापर Chennai train धरची. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. Okay, say general compartment को the ticket collector did not come. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards. ସେମାନେ कार्ड प्ले करथिले. ओके, ସେମାନେ कार्ड माने जो ताश खेलथिले and shouted at all night. Okay, so he had tried to sleep but he was not successful. Hey, what new to town ye? Called out a rough voice. Okay, what a rough voice. Poila. Velu opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Achha. There were a lot of people standing around. Okay. Here, he turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age. तामने around his own age, माने ता बयसर. Wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Okay, ता knee जाए आस्ची से banyan टा. अच्छा. Her hair was stiff, ठिया. Okay, and brownish, and she had a huge sack. गोटे धरिची गोटे बस्ताटे on one shoulder. Okay, in one shoulder she had kept a sack. She was picking up dirty plastic cups, okay, from the floor and stopping them, and picking them and stopping them, and means picking them and putting them into the sack, stopping them into her sack. Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. And why is a girl wearing a banyan? Okay, this was the question to himself. No need to stare stupidly. What is your name? से ताको पचारला नो नीड टू स्टेयर स्टुपिडली मते काहे के देखुछु गालटा पचारला ओके तो ना को भेलु कहला भेलु मटर्ड भेलु माने टोल्ड में भेलु टोल्ड लुकिंग अवे हला मीन्स अन्य आड़ को देखिक कहला माय नेम इज भेलु सो मिस्टर भेलु said the girl looking at his bundle देखी कहला सो मिस्टर भेलु रन अवे फ्रॉम होम हला घर पळे जाइछु कि रन अवे करछु कि भेलु didn't answer he didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done okay ये चुप रहला I don't know he may have some problems okay here it is given many people have many problems okay Hello did not answer he didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done he had run away because he couldn't stand his father yes here it is told okay he could not stand his father beating him so he could not stand okay what his father beating him for one more day बापा ताको बहुत बाड़ौतला राइट सो ही कुड नॉट स्टैंड दिस ओके सेट में पड़े हिज फादर वुड स्नैच अवे ऑल द मनी भेलु एंड हिज सिस्टर्स अर्न एंड स्पेंड इट ऑन ड्रिंक माने से मदरे उड़े दिए पैसा एमान को पठाए काम करिया को से जहाँ आनिबे लोड स्नैच छड़े नहीं जो स्नैच अवे all the money Velu and his sisters earned anuthile don't think I don't know okay this place is full of children like you so what are you going to do here become rich hela eta se कहला Velu कहला ओके भेलु कहलानी ये झील कहला डोंट थिंक आई डोंट नो मु जानिनी बोली कहना तो पळे आइछु दिस प्लेस इज फुल ऑफ चिल्ड्रन लाइक यू तो भलिया पिला बहुत आछन सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू हियर तो लेबे कोन करिउ कोन बिकम रिच केमते रिच छम हला शी सैट डाउन नेक्स्ट टू हिम Velu shifted away slightly. Velu टे ऊंची वाला. Okay. He felt a hunger. के Velu. Pinching. He felt hunger pinching him. Hunger pinching him. And hunger ताको pinch करची. ताको भूख लागुची. And pressed his stomach with a grimace. Okay. So, grimace, twisted expression on the face due to pain. He felt a hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. अच्छा तमन ताको भोक लागलानी जोर रे पेट बिंधलानी कहया गले चलियो The hungry asked the girl you won't get food by sitting here glumly से कोजी तू glumly sadly gloomily बसिले तू किछ पाइबोनी making faces ए भलिया मुंह कले किछ पाइबोनी I can find some if you want जे चाहिबू I can find some food is hidden here she picked up her sack and started to walk away धइला बस्ता धरके चलला Velu stayed on the bench. Velu गलानी. What should he do? जीवना जीवनी. Should he follow this girl? ता पछरे जीव. Where was she going to take him? कुआडे नबो? She was disappearing into the crowd. So he had to make up his mind quickly. अरे से पळे जाउची. अरे make up your mind. तो स्थिर कर. Make up mind माने स्थिर करिया. Okay, all right, he decided. He decide kala. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. ମୁଁ ତ ଏମିତି କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯିବିନି. He jumped up, ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଲା, ran after her. ତା ପଛରେ ଚାଲିଲା. ମିଳିଲାନି ଗୋଟେ ଭରସା ମାନେ ଚାଲିଲା ଆଉ. ହଁ, ran after her. ତା ପଛେ ପଛେ follow କଲା ତାକୁ. She was not even looking back to see where he was. ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ କେୟାର କରିନି. ତାର କ'ଣ ଯାଉଛି ତାକୁ ଡାକିଲା ଆସିଲେ ଆସିଲା ନ ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ. Okay, you have to do this. Velu follows his friend through the crowded streets to a big building. Behind the building, there is a big garbage bin. Velu wonders why they are there at all. छाड़. So आमे एटी देखिले जे Velu is following her. He caught up with the girl as she was leaving the station. So at last he caught up that girl. He, he could catch that girl. Okay. As she was leaving the station. Station छाड़ला बेल को ताकू से पाई गला ता पछर थिला. When they got to the road, then they together got to the road. Road ऊपर को आसी गले. Velu found that the vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. Okay. Vehicles were going and going. Smoke and dust flew. Okay, fluoropastens flew at him from all sides, making his head spin. So he was having a headache type, not headaches, it was spinning. Okay, reeling. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. Okay, so they had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. Velu kept hesitating and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. That means they had to find the gap. When some gap हेले सिना से माने आर पट को जिबे. So Velu kept hesitating. एते गाड़ी आस्तला से hesitate करतला. He was not interested to go. And the girl finally dragged him. से ताऊ टाणी की नहीं गला to the other side. Okay. What do you think you are doing? Okay. Grazing cows. If you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. Se kochi tote chutney kar debe. Hala. Se kochi what do you think you are doing in the middle? Grazing cows. Au pacharla. Are tu gai choro chukele. Okay. If you stand around in the middle of the road like that, तो एमती छिड़ा हबू तते चटनी कर देबे. Velu's heart was still beating fast. Okay, so because he was terrified, he looked back at Central Station and the traffic speeding by. Okay, so he looked back. जो स्टेशन में आछंती ताडे पुणी अनेला. और ट्रैफिक भी अनेला. How had they managed to come through that? एत्ते बाड़ देखि केंदे आसिला. How they have managed केंदे आसी पारले. Okay, how they have managed to come through that? ये लोकंग देखि केंदे आसिला से आश्चर्य होउछि. Okay, हां अच्छा. They walked along. से पुणी चालिले हला along the side. को बाटे बाटे चालले side of the road under some huge signboards. ऊपर साइनबोर्ड गुड़ा लगी छी हला. तापरे Velu looked up at the pictures, banyans, car tires. Pictures देखिला ऊपर picture गुड़ा. Banyans, car tires, pens, a woman holding a box हला. ये सब अच्छी ऊपर. The writing was all in English, so he did not know what it meant. English से तो पढ़ीनी तेणु से जानी पारलानी. The girl turned onto a wide bridge. Turned onto गोटे ब्रिज आड़ गला and walked up. ब्रिज चढ़ीला. Velu stopped and peeped. डुंगिला. Peeped over the railings. ये रे अच्छी ब्रिज रे रेलिंग्स थाए ता ऊपर अनेक डुंगिला बाहर को. ओके रेलिंग्स रेलिंग्स क्या जानते तो रेलिंग्स जो बाड़ा गुड़ा है अंडर हिम द रोड ran into the city है गोटे तले गोटे रोड जाइए इन द डिस्टेंस he could see huge buildings and towers and more roads आहुरी भी रोड देखला see that big building with the wall around it है चारिपटे wall अच्छी if you are not careful you will soon be counting bars there एटा होची जेल टा एटा बार सब लागि छै जेल रे एमती कहला जाई रे काउंट करिवु जेल रे हला बार इफ यू आर नॉट केयरफुल द गर्ल ग्रीन्ड ता ऊपर चिड़ेला भलिया कहला ग्रीन्ड एंड पॉइंटेड एट ए ह्यूज बिल्डिंग ओके हां सो देखेला गोटे व्यूज बिल्डिंग को देखेला भेलु स्क्विंटेड ओके भेलु स्क्विंटेड ओके अच्छी की अच्छा देखिए value squinted and read the Tamil sign central jail लिखा है तमिल ले भी लिखा है सेंट्रल why I haven't done anything wrong value कहला मु कौन हेटी जीबी मु तो किछ इमती किछ करिनी you don't have to do anything just don't get caught that's all से गला धरा पड़नी नल तते नै कि रखी देबे don't get caught हला पुलिस आके धरा पड़नी नले रखी दे what does she mean भेलु वंडर भेलु कहला कौन हैला कोड कहला से meanwhile the girl was already heading down the bridge तळ को already with the sack on her होची shoulder तेणु आगे ता पाखे जो बस्ता धरी ताको धरिकी से गला से गोटौला ना बस्ता व्हाट वाज इन इट से पचारला ही हैड सीन से निजे निजे भाबुची हां he had seen her putting plastic cups into it at the station okay what are you carrying in that bag things bottles paper से कहला गर्ल कहला ये जेतले पचारला वेलु वंडर्ड what she was doing with them से कौन करथो बोली भाबिला but he felt shy to ask any more questions आउ पचारलानी हैला he felt shy ताको लाज लागला पचारे कौन करथो आउ it was still morning but the sun blasted down okay on the कौन कहला it was still morning but the sun blasted down on the tar okay and Velu's barefoot bond ground so morning he थिला तथापि but sun blasted down on the tar तो माने जो टार गुड़ा जो थाए एथिरे पिच्चू गुड़ा हैं ओके सेउडा हां and okay so Velu's barefoot bond it was not like walking on the mud road हैला से mud road रे ताला चलियार अभ्यास he was soaked with sweat तार पूरा स्वेट बाहरी गलानी सोक करी गलानी से पूरा ओदा हो गलानी हैला सोक जानछ तो कांथरे सोक करे पानी हैला so he tried hard to walk in the shade कोड shade थिबो से चाइला हे बाटे बाटे जीवो and keep up with the girl तमर सिंध होय नि मझे खरा दिन shade रे चलिया की इच्छा हो हैं अच्छा and keep up with the girl पुनी गर्ल संगरे भी जुआर अछि नले हजि जीवो keep up with the girl at the same time she walked really fast how far all away was the food से खाली तार चिंता हला कोन जाय खायो हला after almost an hour of walking they stopped in front of a big building Sri Raja Rajeshwari प्रसन्न कल्याण मंडपम हला हां राजा राजेश्वरी प्रसन्न कल्याण हां राजा राजेश्वरी लिखाई छी कल्याण मंडप रे जाइकिरी पहुँचले रेड भैल्यू स्लोली एटा किए रीड कला भैल्यू है ना नहीं भैल्यू रेड कला भैल्यू रेड पढ़िला ए जगह रे लिखा है ए साइन विथ लेटर्स मेड ऑफ फ्लावर्स फ्लावर तैयारी है गोटे सिंबल है सेड ग्रूम हेले जेबी विनयन है विनयागन आ ब्राइड हेले रानी है बेलू स्टेड एट द बिग कार्स पार्क्ड आउटसाइड है से बाहागर पार्टी रो मैरेज पार्टी रो बाहर जो कार टा देखिला कार गुड़ा देखिला वन ऑफ द कार्स हैड ए फ्लावर गार्लैंड एंड रोजेस स्टेप्ड ऑनटू इट रोजेस स्टेप हेरे टेप मरा हैकला अच्छा कॉमन शी सेड है से था को डाकिला आर वी गोइंग टू ईट हियर आस्क्ड बेलू लुकिंग एट द ह्यूज हॉल एंड पीपल इनसाइड कहला एठी भी खाइबा की होप्स कहला सेड द गर्ल shaking her thumb under his nose ओके से कहला पार्टी करना बोली कहला हां हां shaking her thumb okay under his nose she led him behind the hall there was a big garbage bin okay garbage bin गोटे थिला डस्टबिन जमी गार्बेज बिन ओवरफ्लोइंग विथ रबिश आदर थिला टू गोट्स वेर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द पाई ओके सेठी छिड़ा होते से जो गदारे दीटा गोट छिड़ा होते पाइल माने गदा फाइटिंग फॉर ए बानाना लीफ बानाना लीफ खाया दीटा गोट गदा होते दीटा हाँ लीफ हाँ पत्र कौन खाया पड़ता है ए क्लाउड ऑफ फ्लाइज बस्ट गुण गुण होते अराउंड देयर लेग्स ये जो गोड देटा देयर वाज ए रोटेन स्मेल इन द एयर है कच्चा गंध आसला द गर्ल पिक्ड अप ए स्क्वाशी बनाना एंड हेल्ड इट आउट टू भेलू है भेलू को देखेला है पिक्ड अप ए स्क्वाशी बनाना ओके स्क्वाशी क्रस्ट हाँ सेटा क्रस्ट ओके हियर इज योर फूड भेलू वाज शॉक्ड आर वी गोइंग टू ईट देयर लेफ्टओवर्स से कहला है जे खाब छाड़ी जने हमें खाइबा छला छे व्हाट डू यू थिंक आई एम ए डॉग कहला है आई ओनली टेक untouched food here some more catch okay she threw him a boda ताको देला बोरा भेलू looked at it with distaste बोरा उठ देला कोच जोड़ा कि खाई नथिबे हमें खाइबा हला ओरा पड़ी छी हला कॉमन हीरो ईट इट यू थिंक आई लाइक इट आई टोल्ड यू आई विल फाइंड यू समथिंग टू ईट डोंट थिंक आई हैव मनी टू बाय फूड फॉर यू you'd better eat what you get until you have your own money okay so कोची you'd better eat what you get जहाँ पाइबो हाँ you'd better eat what you get है कि जहाँ पाइबो खाई देले मेलू हेजिटेटेड बट मेलू हेजिटेट कला खाइया बट his stomach squeezed him again है he gulped गिली देला down the banana है and bora his stomach felt better immediately है he could have eaten at least 10 times more but the girl could find only one more banana which she ate herself है आ गोटे banana ताको मिलिला untouched है untouched एटा को एटी देला है कि निजे खाई देला girl का it is too early they have only eaten tiffin है सी कहला आम जल्दी पलि आसचे से तो टिफिन खाई इफ यू आर स्टिल हंग्री यू विल हैव टू वेट फॉर देम टू फिनिश लंच आम लंच फिनिश करिया जाए रहिले खाया यू कैन वेट इफ यू वांट है से कहूँ आई हैव टू वर्क आई एम गोइंग सी पिक्ड अप ए कपल ऑफ बॉटल्स फ्रॉम द हिप and threw it into her sack भीतर पुरेला प्लास्टिक तो गोटो थिला then she walked off से पळेला हैला भेलु panicked ताको डर लागिला he realized that if the girl left him he had no idea where he was and what to do it was better to stick to her जाउ ता पछे पछे जीवी हैला stick करिवि सेतिरे she seemed to know her way around हैला know her way around she जानी थी वही पाख पाखर जगह he ran after her again hey he called he did not even know the girl's name अगर ना जान नथिला तो डाकला ए what is your name he asked hurrying behind her ता पछे पछे गला she stopped and turned around ओहो से कहला so you have been following me around without even knowing my name तू मो संगे एते बाट आइलुनी मो ना जानिनु जया मुल I am not following you मु तो पछर जाउनी what then who got you food एटु कहला तते की खाइयो देला can I come with you एटु पछारछि where are you going can I come with you where are you going come if you want एटु कहला yes तू आसे this bag is full I have to go home to get another हैला मु जाउछि घर को एटा छाडीबी आ ओटा आनिबी आसे मो से जदी आसुचो हैला आहुरी अछि एठू अच्छा तो आमे कोन करिवा एटा पढिबा नै तो तू करिवु एटा पढी दबा नै तो करिवु पढ दबा ओके so Jaya and Velu walked along the roads for half an hour until they came to a bridge. एवढा कुछ नहीं ना तो भीतर until they came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water. ना गोटे so से गोटे ब्रिज पाखु आसिले across a dirty trickle of water. सेटे वाटर टे गदा है छी हैला we are in हां okay we are in Triplicane now गोटे जगह ओके अच्छा जगह सी दैट इज बकलिहाम केनाल से केनाल से जया कहला सेटा ए केनाल अच्छा Velu stared. This was a canal near some puddles of water. Okay, was a row of the strangest horse he had ever seen. मैं ताकू ए भलिया हॉर्स से देखिनी छोटो छोटो हॉर्स ओके नियर सम puddles of water एडे तेने अछि ओके of water so some strangers he had ever seen they were built out of all sorts of things metal sheets रे तयारी छि टायर रे तयारी छि घर उडा ब्रिक रे तयारी छि वुड रे प्लास्टिक रे they stood crookedly okay crookedly माने not straight पुनी अंका बंका है छि बंका टंका and looked as if they would fall any moment केतबेले गळी पड़ी बुझ पाछो is this where you live these houses are strange से कहला said Velu in our village the houses are made of mud and palm leaves हला एठी हमरो palm leaves रे हुए Jaya went around to one of the huts and dumped all her sack outside सेटे रखी देला साक then she picked up an empty one आ गोटे बैग धइला आइला हला हाँ गोटे उठेला लेट्स गो सी टर्न्ड टू भेलु एंड गेव हिम ए सोप ताको गोटे अच्छा देला सोप हाँ मैं सोप जोता है हाँ सोप माने पुश नहीं तो ठेलीला ओके गेव हिम ए सोप हाँ मैं ठेली देला हाँ एटलीस्ट हेल्प मी नाउ हियर वेयर दिज एंड कम विथ मी वो ताकू देखे देला ताकू ठेली के यही पटू हाँ कहला एटा पिंध या वाश सी थ्रू हिम ए पेयर ऑफ ओल्ड शूज एटी पकेला तो and laces without laces and pushed a sack and a stick into his hand ता हाथ रे भी देला गोटे साक धर हैला स्टिक धर ओके Velu was confused. What work did she want him to do with these things? The only work he had ever done was on the landowner's farm. ହେଲା ସେ ଆଗରୁ ଖାଲି ବିଲରେ ଚାଷ କରିଛି ହେଲା ୱିଡିଂ ହେଲା ଯୋଉ ବାହାର କରିଛି କଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ ବାଳୁଙ୍ଗା ଘାସ ଗୁଡା ହଁ ଯୋଉ ଧାନରେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଳୁଙ୍ଗା ନଥାଏ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଘାସ ଗୁଡେ ତାକୁ ବି ବାହାର କରନ୍ତି ୱିଡିଂ ଏ ଅଲଗା ଅନାବନା ଘାସ ଗୁଡା ବାହାରେନି and taking cows out to graze ଆଉ କାଉ ବି ନେଇଛି ବାହାରକୁ ଚରେଇବାକୁ ହେଲା ଗ୍ରେଜ କରିବାକୁ ଓକେ SST are there I'm coming are there any farms in the city he asked Jaya ସେ କହିଲା ଆରେ ମତେ ଏଇ କାମ କଣ ଦଉଛୁ ମତେ ଫାର୍ମ କୁ ପଠା he laughed and thumped her stick on the ground she laughed ତାକୁ ହସ ଲାଗିଲା and thumped her stick on the ground farms there are no farmers here we are rag pickers ଆମେ ଖାଲି ये जिनस उठेबू rag pickers बाहर जिनस उठेबू rag pickers see my sack full of things I collected from where asked Velu हाँ Velu पचारुची collected from where asked Velu okay from rubbish bins okay the dustbin अछि सेठू where else आउ कोठू आनिबू you collect rubbish Velu had never heard of such a thing से आगुरे एमती केबे जानि नथला ए blockhead कहला ए झियोटा it is not any rubbish only paper plastic glass such things we sell it to jam bazaar जगू हैला जगू गोटे है लोकर नाडा हाँ जाम बाजार जगू लोक अच्छा Velu was puzzled he had heard of people throwing away rubbish but why would anyone want to buy rubbish हैला who is jam bazaar jaggu why is he buying all this okay you think he buys it for show से कहला एटा देखेबो कि से he sells it to a factory से कहला सेटा फैक्ट्री बिक्की दबो come on I don't have time to waste like you मु आउ तो संगे एते कथा आइ परिबनी हैला Velu did not move he had not run away and come to this new place to dig through garbage bins से garbage bin Jaya poked at him Jaya ताको अनेला with her stick poked माने ताको बाडेला हैला poked at him अच्छा हैला so with her stick look here अच्छा look here she shouted if someone gets there before us हैला we don't get anything हम आगु जदि आउ के पळेला हमें पाइबानी don't just stand there posing हैला इंदी पोज नै गिर छिडा होना ये तो big hero I am trying to help you who filled your stomach today तो तोते की खाया उदला कोई की ताको इंदी पिन मारची तू आस Velu scratched हिज हेड विथ ता निज हेड को से ये कला स्क्रैच कला एंती कला एंड साइड आई विल डू इट फॉर नाउ ही थॉट कला एबे मु कर देबी जाल तो सांगरे until I find a better job मु भलो जॉब पाइबा जाए एमती करबी आ चाल चाल मोच ହେଲା ସରିଗଲା।